Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? Matthews here from M&F FOREX Status. So today I'm back with a nice video for you guys. I'm back with a trade recap on GBP AUD. We had an extremely beautiful trade that turned out amazing. It was a 14-hour, about 400 pips target, right? It was a very beautiful setup. Let me just show you everything on what made us take this particular trade and the thought process behind all that. So you can actually see that this was taken on the 3rd of August, right here. Yeah. So first of all, you have to identify the overall trend, and you can see that the overall trend was actually down. Therefore, we are looking for selling opportunities. Once that happens, you look for the order block. And usually before the order block, you want to find liquidity. And you can actually see that we had liquidity right here. We had equal highs here. First, second, and which is resistance, which is prompting sellers, actually retail traders, to actually sell from this level right here. But however, you saw the market taking out the liquidity at this level, coming to this zone here. Why this zone? Because this zone was a rally based drop. On the lower time frame, this was if there was a fresh zone where the market was actually coming to. And you can actually so the market actually reversing from this level, going back for another retest, dropping, retesting that level again, and then we saw the market dropping to the downside. This was also shared with our private community, as you can see right here. This setup was shared with a private community right here. And guess what? The market literally moved about 600, because our target was, remember, target was about 400 pips, right? Our target was somewhere at this level right there. But the market ended up going almost 600 pips in profit. It was an amazing trade. So if just had the patience to actually endure this and endure these small retracements, you guys have to understand that the market doesn't move in a straight line. That you have to understand. This would have benefited all this move if you just a little bit patient and disciplined. You would have enjoyed all this move. So this market literally just went to the downside. We identified structure. We saw that the market was in a downtrend, which is very important. And then the market gave us a nice rally based drop. Then we had liquidity, which was taken out. Then the market dropped to the downside. So this is a repeatable process. This is what we do on a regular basis. We look for a setup. If the setup is there, we take the trade. Of course, not all trades would turn out like this. All right. However, what we have is a positive expectancy over a series of trades. Like, how many trades do you need for you to actually achieve profits like that? Because this trade alone will give you 1 to 14 risk to reward ratio, meaning you can be wrong 14 times and take one trade like this and still make a ton of money. So I hope this is helpful. I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this is actually helpful. All right. So if you need our services, the links are down in the description. Check them out. Subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Let's go.